telemetry nominal. Vehicle is supersonic. Max Q. MVAC chill.
And a good flight of the Falcon 9 rocket so far. Nice tracking views from SpaceX. Hear the call for MVAC chill. They are thermally conditioning the Merlin vacuum engine on the rocket's upper stage, preparing for its ignition. Coming up to a few events in fairly rapid succession here. We'll see first stage main engine cutoff, or MECO, at about T plus 2 minutes and 27 seconds in flight. That will be followed by stage separation moments later, and then the ignition of that Merlin vacuum engine. The payload fairings are set to jettison from the Falcon 9's upper stage around 3 minutes into flight, or about 10 seconds to MECO.
MECO. Stage separation confirmed. MVAC ignition.
You can just barely make out the first stage booster off the edge of the Merlin vacuum engine nozzle. See a couple of those little pops.
Separation confirmed.
There go the payload fairings, and a nice shot of one of the fairing halves falling back to Earth as well. Again, these fairing halves will splash down in the waters of the Pacific Ocean, a little bit further downrange from where the booster set to land on the drone ship called Of Course I Still Love You. Time now, T plus 5 minutes, 20 seconds and counting. So far, a nominal flight for the Falcon 9 rocket. Coming up next in less than a minute's time, or actually just about 30 seconds from now, the first stage entry burn is set to begin. That will use 3 engines out of the 9 on the Falcon 9 first stage to dramatically slow that part of the vehicle down. Set things up for the start of the single-engine landing burn. Some really nice lighting on the booster where it is above the clouds.
Stage 1 FTS is saved.
Casting a nice long shadow there before the entry burn started. As you heard, the flight termination system has been saved, no longer needed at this stage for the booster.